This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening a 1080p canvas and importing any reference image. This gives scale and proportion. Create a dedicated vector layer for line work, then lock background layers so you don't accidentally move them. Once done, pick a small brush, 3 to 8 px, and enable stabilization to smooth shaky strokes. This first pass establishes shapes, so work quickly but deliberately. Draw simple contours and block main forms. Make sure to save a copy before proceeding to detailed work. Next, duplicate your baseline layer and refine lines on the copy so you keep the original as backup. You should vary stroke weight, use pressure sensitivity, or change opacity to give lines life. Thicker outer lines add depth. Then create a raster layer beneath the lines for flat colors, using selection tools to fill areas cleanly. For shading, add a new layer set to multiply or overlay, paint with low opacity, and blur to blend. This layered approach keeps edits non-destructive and organized. To finish, tidy layers into a final grouped file and save a master with all layers intact so you can revise later. Export PNGs for single frames or MP4 with alpha when you need transparency. Check export settings for correct resolution and frame range. If you hit issues, like jittery lines, increase stabilization and redraw those strokes with the vector pen, which snaps curves cleanly. Also check brush smoothing and reduce pressure sensitivity. These small fixes solve most common drawing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.